Si Mita Makabidang Vlog. Okay, she was live also, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. Don't forget the others. Si Tita Rose. Tita Rose. Tita Rose. Yeah, this also, guys. This. This is from the other country, guys. Okay. All I said, only one Philippine in Mita Makabidang Vlog is that in the Philippines. But she was also in the live. She was helping me my grow up my channel. Thank you so much, guys. And I will pin back the Pau Pau too because she was have event this January 13. Okay. Thank you, Ma'am Agnes. Ay, si Ma'am April pala. Ito si Ma'am April. Yun nga yung i-search ko kanina. Hindi ko mahanap dito. April. April's Iskapadi. Meron pa yun si yung malalaking bahay, yung friend ni Ma'am Agnes din. Ang dami. Ba't ayaw dito mawala? Ayaw dito mag-search. Anong nangyari? I think the April is April. Yeah, LOL. Okay. Yes, let's start. This one, guys, this also. Si April Iskapadi. Yeah. This also, guys. Please like, guys, all. She was a big support, guys. And my friend Delshud from Europe. She was live. Delshud, yes. She was live also. We have more. The angel is so much more, I think. Friend, but I didn't see. Okay. Yeah, it's this. Boy Binjo Vlog. Yeah. 458K. Yeah, this one. Boy Benjo Vlog. She was always cut the coconut. And which one? Where she is? This baby, Kyle Custer, the drummer. My last exercise.